Hey everyone, it's Rhino415. I'm here with another Lionel Messi jersey unboxing video. The jersey I'm wearing, the Argentina 3-star kit, was the last jersey review that I did, and I thought it was the last Messi jersey that I was going to get. Somehow, some way, Messi signed for Inter Miami. He's playing in the MLS. I've been watching him on Apple TV Plus, and he's been playing so well in the Leagues Cup. So I ordered this jersey, pre-ordered this jersey from Fanatics. I'm going to unbox it. It's the away kit, the secondary kit. So let's get to the unboxing here. Like I said, I got this off Fanatics and I thought it was going to get delivered like October or November. It's beautiful. Here's the front of the jersey here. And then here's the back of the jersey. So let me put the jersey on a hanger and I'll talk more about it. All right, so the jersey's on a hanger here. This is the La Noche kit. This is the secondary or away kit that Inter Miami is wearing this season. They're also going to wear this jersey next season. I really like this jersey. I mean, I like the home pink jersey as well. I'm thinking about getting that. Yet I think I like the black away kit a little bit more. So this is what I decided to pick up. This is the 4th Messi jersey video I've done. You can check out my channel. I talk a little bit more about Messi in those videos. At this point, he's one of the greatest players ever. He won the World Cup with Argentina. His last 2 years were in Paris. He's a 2-time Ligue 1 champion. And then obviously all the accolades that he accumulated at Barcelona. So let's talk about the kit here. I went a size down than I usually wear. So this is a size large. You can see that here. It says size large, slim fit. This is the back of the jersey. On the front here, you get the Adidas logo here in pink, and then the Inter Miami badge, and then the sponsor through the middle. What I really like about this La Noche kit is the wave pattern. I hope you can see that on the camera, that alternates throughout the jersey. It's a really nice wave pattern all the way down to the bottom. On this side of the jersey here on the bottom, you get the Adidas Authentic there, arrow ready. And then here where the jock tag usually is, you get the M for Miami in pink. So that's the front of the jersey. On the top here, you get the pink stripes coming down each side. And then I'm really happy this came with like the sponsor patches. So this is on the right sleeve here. And then this is on the left sleeve with the MLS patch and the Apple TV. Like I said, I've been watching Messi on Apple TV. He's been playing awesome. That's the front of the jersey. And then when you move to the back, on the back of the neck, it says "Freedom to Dream." And then Messi in the pink. And then the iconic number 10. Messi's back to wearing number 10. And then within the 10, you get the MLS logo. And I just like this kit because I like how the pink pops on the black base. So let me try the jersey on right now. All right, so this is me trying on the jersey. It's a little bit more fitted, and I'm glad. I got this in a large. It definitely is like a slim fit. I think it fits better than the extra larges I was getting. So I'm just gonna turn around. Again, let me know if you think I should pick up the pink kit as well. I know that one has a collar on it. Yeah, you know, he's been scoring all these goals, all these free kicks, wearing the pink jersey. So I might pick that up as well. Let me know what you think about this La Noche jersey. And check out my channel. I'm going to keep doing jersey videos. Thank you for watching.